Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're going to have a look at how to use Vlookup from a different sheet in Google Sheets. So you have a set of data and you want to add some data to it, but this data is saved on a different sheet. So let's have a look here. We have the additional data right here. And what we would like to do is we would like to add the phone number here to this tab or to this sheet. And for this, the Vlookup function is absolutely perfect. And I'm going to show you now how you can use it from a different sheet. All right, let's get started with this challenge. The first thing we do is an equal sign. That's always the sign we need in front of a formula. And then we write Vlookup, everything in capitals, and we open up the brackets. And as you can see, while I'm typing, I also get this help right here. In case this is not showing, you will have like a question mark in front of it, and click that and you will get this help. It's really handy when entering a formula. So the first parameter here is the search key. This is what we're looking for. So our search key here is the last name. So we're looking for rootnet and all the last names in order to find phone numbers. So I just click here on rootnet and then I set a comma, and the second parameter then is the range. So the range is where all the data is that we're looking for. I'm going here to the different sheet now, and the data we're looking for is from last name right to the phone number, so D2K. All right, and you can see now the formula is here. I could just continue here or get back. All right, I set another comma, and now it's asking for the index. So the index is where the data or information is that we're looking for. So it's here the very last column. And the index is always a number and it starts from 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, I have to add an 8. All right, let me get back. And then the last parameter, okay, I can already hit enter here. I don't have to add is sorted or not, but I just want to show you. Is sorted asks whether it is sorted in, I think, ascending order. And usually that is false, so we just write false here, and then we can close the brackets here and hit enter. And as you can see, the phone number is added, and it also suggests an autofill, so it will be applied to all the other rows right here. Therefore, I can say yes, please autofill. And I have all the phone numbers in there, and we can just check whether this is correct. 889-385. Let's see for rootnet, 889-385. Perfect. That is his phone number. Yeah, and that is how to use Vlookup from a different sheet in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, follow this channel, and also hit the notification bell. Therefore, you will always be notified when new videos come out. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.